Right. These are construction noises I hear in my bedroom, despite having two white noise machines inside my bedroom and three white noise machines outside my bedroom. So these are the noises it's coming from inside my bedroom, despite having three white noise machines outside my bedroom. Now you'll notice when I point the camera outside, the noises go away. That's kind of interesting, isn't it? That when I point the camera outside, it's happening behind that fence. There's one particular house that's very noisy, has a lot of construction noises early in the morning. Now, of course, I would notice this because I'm a gang stalking target. Those pounding noises stopped. Interesting that you can hear them despite the white noise machines outside my bedroom. The white noise machines inside my bedroom. You can still hear those pounding noises, but they've stopped when I poked my camera through the blind. You find that interesting? I am a gang stalking target. Noise is used to disrupt the sleep of gang stalking targets. Now, as I poke my camera through this little hole in the blind, the noise has stopped. Interesting. Don't make any difference in waking me up in the morning. Noise from outside my bedroom.